Hi friends, this is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to maintain and clean cast iron utensils. So I'm going to start with this new kadai which I recently got, and this is a skillet that I have been using for months and I'll tell you how I maintain them. So let's get started. So to start with, we will first wash this thoroughly with our basic scrubber and the basic detergent that we use. So let's get started. So we are now done with our first step, that is just cleaning it with our regular detergent and scrub. And now I'm going to add some salt to it. If you have sea salt, you may add that. I'm just adding the regular salt that I use, and to this I'm going to squeeze in some lemon on the salt, and I'm going to scrub it very well with the lemon. And this time I'm not going to use the scrubber, I'm just going to use the lemon. So yeah, we are done with our second step. Now let's move on to the third step. So we will now wipe it with a kitchen towel or a napkin, and we will now switch on the flame of the gas stove and we will heat the kadai. It will take time. Cast iron usually takes time to heat up compared to iron and steel utensils. So let's wait. Yeah, so to this I'm adding in some sesame oil. Now to this I'm adding in some roughly chopped onions. And on a medium flame we need to fry this onion. This will season the pan or kadai or the cookware, as the onions has some properties which season iron and cast iron utensils very well. So we need to fry this till the onions are golden brown, or rather black in color. Spread the onions all over the kadai so that it seasons the pan very well, the kadai very well. And you may also, I've seen some people, they just cut onions into half and prick a fork into it and just rub the onion with the fork, with the help of the fork. You can do that as well, but however I feel this is more effective. Because in that you're just wasting the onion, whereas in this method you're utilizing it to its fullest and you will get the best results this way. So we are done with our third step. So now we will switch off the flame and let it cool down. And once it cools down, we are going to throw this entire thing, the onions that we had sauteed in the kadai. We are going to throw that and wash the kadai thoroughly, and then we will get back to the final and fourth step. So yeah, we are done with the cleaning, and as I said, we need to throw the onions and clean it thoroughly. And now we are moving to our final step, which is just wipe the kadai. Now I'm going to switch on the flame again, heat up the kadai, and we'll do our final seasoning with a little oil. This time I'm going to take just a few drops, not the same as the last time, just a few drops of oil, and that's it. We are going to spread it all over the kadai. You may use a tissue or a cloth, as per your convenience. So I'm going to spread it evenly all over, on the handles, on the corners, everywhere. Usually people suggest the first few uses for frying purpose, but I'm not going to fry anything because this is a huge kadai and I don't want to use it for frying purpose. And yes, as you can see, I've seasoned it up well, and it is, there's no black color that it leaves now. It is ready for cooking. So yes, you may find this a little taxing, that you need to do many steps, but believe me, it is totally worth it. And initially in the first few uses you may find that the food is turning a little more blackish, but that is absolutely fine. It's absolutely healthy. It is nothing but iron content that is going into your food, unlike your non-stick cookware which leaches harmful chemicals and those coatings which are very, very unhealthy for your body. So yes friends, it is worth, as I said, do make this shift for your family, for your good health. it is definitely worth taking the pain just for the first time. And every time you use the kadai after cooking, you need to follow just the last step. That is, clean it with your basic scrubber and your dishwasher, and then wipe it, heat it up, season it with a little few drops of oil, and that's it, you're done. So this is very simple, very healthy. Make the switch. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for all the latest updates. Thank you. Yes friends, so sundal is the first dish I cooked in this kadhai, and after every usage follow the 4th step for easy maintenance. Thank you.